With the new DMK government in Tamil Nadu completing its 6-month honeymoon phase, the opposition, the AIADMK, is holding a statewide protest against the ruling DMK for the first time. Its key demands fulfillment of the key promises of the DMK, including the payment of 1,000 rupees monthly allowance to women head of families, the 100 rupees subsidy for LPG gas cylinders, and also reduction of the fuel price. In fact, this comes after the AIADMK suffered 3 consecutive poll defeats, which began with the Lok Sabha polls and then the assembly elections and more recently the rural local body elections. And this protest has also come as a kind of an opportunity for the opposition to rejuvenate its party cadre before the upcoming urban local body polls. I have with me Mr. David Gnanasegaran, the Secretary of the Amma Federation in North Chennai. Thank you very much for your time. What are your key demands?
Stalin failed to do the promises which have been given in the propaganda. But
Like what?
he said many propaganda that is, he promises to give 1,000 rupees for all women every month. But he fails. All those 7 months were gone.
Okay.
He have not given a single money. Today, Chennai flood. He didn't give any money to the public. That day, Amma gave the public relief fund. And also the Edappadi Panichami, our ex-CM, gave the relief fund to every public, every ration card. But today, Stalin fails to give any single money to the public. Today, every public will suffer because of this flood. Yeah, he doesn't do anything as he promised before the election campaign.
You are in alliance with the BJP. The DMK says the AIADMK should ask the BJP to reduce taxes on petrol and diesel, which will automatically reduce the price in other states.
No, the Stalin government not reduces the taxes as well as the cess taxes. Even the central government reduces the taxes. In many states reduces these taxes. But this government, the Stalin government, has not reduces a single.
They have reduced 3 rupees already.
No, that is for namesake. That is for
No,
name.
what they say is the central government, if they reduce the taxes, automatically it will come down here also.
No, sir. Actually, the central government reduces what they not promises. They reduces many, but the Stalin reduces only 3 rupees, not cess.
Should the AIADMK also ask the BJP to reduce taxes?
Yes, definitely. As soon as we got the opposition party, our ex-CM and deputy CM gone to Delhi and they demand for this tax reduces.
DMK sources say they are facing huge financial challenges as the state's resources are largely being spent for fighting the pandemic, and they point out how the DMK was the first government in the country to reduce the fuel price by 3 rupees a litre. And they say whatever is possible amid these difficulties and challenges they're doing, but they're confident of fulfilling all promises before their 5-year period. In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.